Let's first recall how
Fritos tomato ribbons,
is accomplished.
Chutney Fritos, Adobados Fritos, Fritos Racers, Peri Waves Fritos, Tomato Sauce Fritos, Chorizo and Chipotle Fritos, McGraw Spicy Jalapeo Fritos, Fritos Tapatio Flavor Twists, Fritos Sweet Chili Twists, Salt and Lime Fritos, Barbecue Hoops Fritos, Sweet Chili Fritos, Fritos Tex-Mex Flavor Twists, Tabasco Fritos, Texas Grilled Fritos, Jalapeno Fritos, Chili and Lime Fritos, Flamin Hot Fritos, Barbecue Fritos, Original Fritos, Chili Cheese Fritos.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.